Hey everyone, Mike from Mike's Militaria here with an exclusive only available at Mike's Militaria from now until they're sold out. It's come to my attention that this Storm Area 51 group on Facebook has just passed 850,000 people who are either interested or going. So this makes us very serious. It caught the attention of the Department of Defense and everything, and the Air Force is very meticulous in their kind of warning. So it seems that some of you guys are going to be going out there, and I don't want you to go out there empty-handed, so I have come up with this exclusive basic survival kit for storming Area 51 on September 20th. Or is it September 20th? Who knows? Anyway, I've been following the group. I'm not going to be going myself because I have plans on September 20th, unfortunately. I wish I could join you guys, but I'll try and support you any way I can. So, again, this is an exclusive. You're not going to find this anywhere else, okay? We're the only ones that have this. So what you're going to get in the survival kit all fits into this nice, sleek package of this German Flecktarn rucksack, right? And you still have 2 extra side pockets that are empty. So you've got so much space, you won't even know what to do with it. Anyway, this fits on your back. This whole thing weighs maybe about 40 to 50 pounds when it's fully loaded, because I brought you the most basic and essential gear possible in a basic survival kit for surviving the raid on Area 51. So, assuming you get past the first line of defense, you're going to need to have at least 1 day's worth of survival equipment, which is what this is. This not only encompasses the day after, but the day before and a couple days before that, if you're really rationing yourself and controlling yourself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you everything that's in here, and then I'm going to reveal the extremely low price. I will put the link to this in the description, available at mikesmilitaria.com. Very limited edition. Only 10 of these will be ever available, and whoever's got these, your chances of survival will increase greatly if you get past the first line of defense. So, don't be stuck out there in the mud. Everybody else is going to be wanting this, and you're going to be the one that actually was smart enough and bought it while you could. So, we've got, in the very top, this is something that's just so cool, guys. Very exclusive, very high speed. You're going to need some head protection, right? You can buy a hat. You can buy a hat anywhere. Go to Walmart. I'm going to bring you stuff that you really can't buy elsewhere. It's only available, again, from Mike's Militaria. I'm Mike from Mike's Militaria. We've got a British Mark 7 Kevlar helmet, right? So these were used by the British from 2009 until currently, and they're phasing them out, but that's because the design is so complicated and high speed that they needed to streamline it. These were used in Afghanistan, the Balkans, some places in Africa. They even sold these to the Ukrainian military in somewhere around 2012, and the Ukrainians loved them and wanted to buy more of them. So this is going to be your utmost headgear, and the most convenient part of this package right here, this particular helmet, it's already desert tan for the deserts of Nevada. You don't need to put a cover on it. You can just roll with it like this. You can put rails on here. You can be super high speed and tactical and look really awesome and like a badass to all these other people that are just going to be out there wearing a t-shirt and shorts with a bottle of vitamin water and whatever. So you're going to get one of these. They're all going to be size medium, so they'll fit between about a 7 and a 7.5 head. Very comfortable, very high speed for the desert. And again, you're not going to find another helmet like this that it's painted this amazing desert tan. That's an extraordinary value here. I'm the only one in the US that sells these, and you're going to get this in this exclusive package. Next is going to be your equipment belt. Now, I kind of modeled this after stuff that I've seen in Star Wars, specifically on Tatooine, but with a couple extra chromosomes. So you get this really nice West German equipment belt. Very heavy duty canvas, solid brass buckle, painted olive drab. Some of them are going to have the olive drab paint worn off, but they're still highly effective. They're not gonna break. They're really solid. And you get not 1, but 2 G3 ammo pouches. Now these aren't gonna have anything in it because you need to fill them with what you need, like Skittles, Snickers bars. They usually melt in the desert. You can put some ice in there and keep them cold. And you can put snacks in here. You can put your cell phone in here. It's very convenient. Even an iPhone 10 will fit in here. Okay, and a little bit small for a tablet, but you can use one of these side pouches with some padding for that. So you get 2 of these bad boys, put snacks, accessories, drink packets, electrolyte packets, whatever you need. I'm not going to take all the thunder. You guys can go to other businesses and patronize them and we're all going to support the economy together. We're all in this together, guys. So yeah, snack pouches, accessory pouches. This is going to be for other accessories, metal accessories, you name it. It's a leather pouch, so it's a little bit more durable. It's going to be a little bit more insulated than the rubberized canvas. Both these are water resistant, so if you happen to fall into the lake when you're running away or running towards it, whatever it may be, after you find aliens or whatnot, you can bring some alien snacks to throw in here, okay? And they'll probably appreciate that. So this is just another little added bonus. Great piece of history, very useful. And then we've got this high quality replica of the Austrian Feldmesser 78, better known as a Glock knife. These are just replicas, so they're just as good, except they don't have the Glock stamp on them. It's an all-purpose utility knife. You can use it for cutting down shrubs, whatever you need to do. Just an all-purpose utility knife. It's a really good little knife. You can fit that right there on your belt. So this looks somewhat like Star Wars. Like you can, Tatooine's a desert, and so is Nevada. So that's kind of why I assembled this particular loadout. Just a nice little equipment pouch. You put tools. Again, snacks. Great snack pouches. I'm serious, guys. Cell phone snacks, you win. All right. So that's going to last you about a day with the snacks you can carry in here. You're gonna need some sugar out there to keep energized, or protein bars, Cliff bars, whatever you want, throw in there. Now this is one of the best parts of it too. We got the Polish MP5 gas mask with the brand new sealed filter. Okay, these are amazing, and you know, if you're really concerned about them using chemical or whatever kind of stuff, tear gas. These are great. They're also highly collectible, and so if you don't end up actually storming the Palisades, you've got a nice little gas mask to put in your collection. Works well in the bathroom or for spraying, using a paint sprayer in a house when using oil-based primer. I know that from experience. So that's a handy tool to have. Got to have a gas mask. I mean, that can save your life. It's not like the entire suit actually is what saves your life. This alone, you know what I mean? So now we're getting to some good stuff. 2 emergency rations, aka MREs, right? Meals ready to eat. Oh, look, I just happened to pick the Southwest beef and black beans and the Mexican style chicken stew. Coincidence? I think not. You're gonna get 2 random menus. I'm not gonna be hand picking these for you guys. They're all the same. They're all gonna provide you with about 1,200 calories each. This is about a half to a whole day's, 2 days worth if you're really stretching it, of rations. Plus you can share snacks in here. You can put the snacks from here in these pouches right here. Amazing deal. You have 2 full MREs. Genuine. Now, what are you gonna eat the MREs with? You gotta go in style. You get one of these awesome Czechoslovakian mess kits, right? So these things are, if I can open it and say how awesome it is. Oh my God. There we go. A little bit sticky there. About 60 years old. They generally don't open that harshly, but I'll make sure yours opens very nicely. You got a little pot in here. You got a bigger pot right here. You've also got a plate. Oh my God. Look at this. Plus, best part of this comes with a genuine Czech aluminum spork. Yeah, that's right. I said spork. You can eat just about anything with this. All right? Amazing. Just look at this. And now, how would you heat that if you don't want to use the MRE packet or the heating packet? You got a Swiss M71 camp stove. It's like Sterno, except it lasts a little bit longer and it's sealable and reusable. Use this little stand with the Czechoslovakian mess kit. Watch this, guys. This is just too cool. Watch this. This little stand pops into there. Bam. Look what we be cooking. Right there. Look at that. Heating all this stuff up the old-fashioned way. You can boil water with this. Amazing stuff. So, yeah, that's what you're getting for that. But wait, there's more. You get, let's see if I can grab it in here. Along with that, a nice Czechoslovakian aluminum canteen with a wool cover. Dip this in water, it's going to stay warm a little bit longer than plastic bottles or plastic canteens. The aluminum is heavy duty, durable, you can fall on it, trip, fall, and it's generally going to be okay. You can also put fire water in here, adult beverages if need be. Hopefully it doesn't leach too much of the aluminum out of there, but does certainly hold fire water pretty well. I also know that from experience. So you get one of these guys. This is to be used in conjunction with other plastic bottles and stuff you get at the gas station or the taco joint that's near there that I heard. So yeah, this is just an added precaution. This is like your last ditch. This is a survival kit. This isn't like a convenience kit. So this is like Okay, I need to bunker down for a day or two. You got this emergency water container, also really cool just to have. Now we're getting into the good stuff. This Yugoslavian OM-59 monocular is made for the Panzerfaust 57 anti-tank weapon. Though you're not going to get the anti-tank weapon from me because it's highly illegal to do that, and they're not even in this country, you can get the optic that went on it, right? So this thing is amazing, and it doubles as a rangefinder. A rudimentary one that goes up to about 400 meters. So if you want to figure out how far you are from the fence before they start shooting at you, you can actually gauge the distance using this. It's about a 3.5 to 3.8 magnification, somewhere in there. Basically like an ACOG, a basic ACOG. Look at that, I can see you guys right there. That's amazing. They work really well. Come with this sexy, sleek leather case. Some of them have tools in them. Very, very nice piece of equipment. Also comes in this basic survival kit. Better than a set of binoculars, because you actually have a nice rangefinder on here, and they're built a lot tougher, man. These things are really tough, made out of nice steel. Optics are nice and heavy. And now, there's something that you might often overlook, but you're probably gonna need. You got about 30 feet of Danish Pioneer rope here. Now this comes with a little clip on one end, right? And the rest of the rope is in the bag and attached to the bag, so you can't lose the rope. And this is really strong stuff. It's about a 1/2 inch thick. And if you've ever seen Boondock Saints, you'll understand the importance of having rope at every given moment, okay? Just throwing that out there. So you get this. This is, I mean, this kit right here, guys, you're not gonna find this anywhere else. This is what you're gonna need when you actually make the trip out there, like you say you're going to. So the value of all these is gotta be at least over 9,000. But I'm gonna give it to you for the low price of 1,000. So you can go on there and get all this cool stuff, and the best part is I will be issuing a handwritten good luck note with every kit. Handwritten by me. I mean, that right there is worth the retail price in itself, plus you get all this cool stuff as a bonus. So, the only question now that I have is, what the hell are you waiting for? 10 of these are gonna be available, ever. You might as well get this now. I mean, seriously, I wouldn't pass this up. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you like and share this so your other fanboys that are going to be out there running through the desert can at least come somewhat prepared with this nice basic survival kit for storming Area 51. Good luck, everybody. Sorry I can't make it. Again, I got other plans, obligations. I'd love to show up, but all I can do is just offer this as a little token of my support to everybody, and I do genuinely wish you good luck. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you on the next video.